Everybody here is loving this one. I'm telling you, this is one of the exceptional cars. Just so nicely done, so straight, so beautiful, kind of old school, but not outdated. I'll show you a beautiful chromed out 350 motor under the hood, 4-speed transmission. The suspension's chromed. Even the rear end is chrome plated in this car. It's a sweetheart. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll see 200 sweethearts, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the fit and finish on this car is amazing. I mean, it's red glass. I am looking at literally arrow straight, flat, smooth. The gaps are about as tight as a Mercedes. I don't know if I've seen a 57 with the gaps that nice. All of this absolutely straight. You got this nice little body line on top of the fender. All of this is straight, flush. Look at this door. It just lines up beautifully. Not a bump, not a bubble. Opens up real nicely. The jambs are done just as nice. Practically shuts by itself. And then the black, also glass finish, absolutely straight, beautiful. The trunk lines up beautifully. A lot of times it's chipped up along the bottom because you slam it and it hits, but not this one. Every square inch of what I'm seeing is excellent. I don't see any problem areas. I don't see pimples, bubbles, shrinkage. All this is absolutely smooth like glass. The fit and finish is amazing. That comes at a price. You go to a body shop or have a deal, and you'll get it for 10 grand. Sounds like a lot, but that's a deal today. Professional shops, they charge 30, 35 grand for fit and finish like this one. Yeah, that there is really nice. So this car has it going on. Outstanding body and paint. It's the 150. It's the base model. Doesn't really say Chevrolet on it anywhere. I wonder if they've left that off. It says it on the front. And you got the rockets. All the chrome is sparkling. There's some gentle wear on the surface. The tips here are polished instead of rubber. They can put the original style T3 headlights, all the rubber gaskets, all the trim, all looking really sharp. All the glass was replaced. It's smoked glass. It's not a stick-on tint. It's smoked glass. All the moldings, even the base of the wiper, the correct antenna, all of it is shiny. All the rubber gaskets and seals and everything's real nice. I want to shut that door again. I just love it when a door shuts like that. Back window smoked. All the chrome back here is real nice. License plate frame. Any of you remember where to put gas in a 57 Chevy? Right there. Here you go. Sitting on some 15-inch Cragars. They're wrapped in Mickey Thompson tires that look to be pretty darn new. The wheels are just sparkling. They're extra wide, extra fat in back. Has that nice muscle car stance and look to it. Why don't we open it up? Get your sunglasses on before we open that hood. All right, open the trunk. Clicks right open. It shuts as nice as the doors do. Painted up real nice. Weather strip is replaced. The jamb is painted slick. Matter of fact, the whole inside's painted real nice. Has a spare and a painted rim, the jack assembly, a lug wrench, car cover. Little bit extra chrome. The latches, the cover here, that's chrome plated. You got some 6x9 speakers back there. Actually, it looks like there's 4 speakers back there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. Jambs are painted just as nice as the car. The latches look new. The weather strips are new. And it's all replaced, reproduction, 150 style Chevy interior. Look at the beautiful red and black door panels. The window cranks look new, all sparkling. So the whole dash area is painted slick like the car. It has a vintage style moon tachometer mounted on the column. It has a dice on the lighter. Heater controls look real nice. Has a retro stereo right in the factory hole. All this trim is real nice. Had a chrome cover over the where the optional clock would be. Now you can tell, but the glove box door is chrome plated. We got a nice set of gauges down here. Carpets installed real nicely. Got a T-handle shifter, all chromed up, painted red in the middle there, real nice. It's a bench seat shifter. The upholstery's done is the silver piping and the black and the red, all real sharp. Back here, everything, same thing, wall-to-wall, reproduction upholstery. The window frames on the doors, too. These are actually chromed instead of painted black. I said it's got speakers in the back, custom cloth headliner installed very nicely. The visors have been redone, the mirrors replaced. And then it's got a real nice tilt polished column with a custom wheel. It says Lucky 57. And we got some custom pedals down underneath there as well. So just a nice, clean, cool looking interior. The trim around the inside of the windshield's all chrome plated too. So you got a real nice run-in, like 350 horsepower engine here. It's got some giddy up and go. The intake is polished. Has a huge dual feed Holley carburetor with electric choke. Billet distributor with HEI ignition. Of course, polished air cleaner, valve covers, spark plug wire holders. And more chrome. The whole heater and blower box here, all chrome. The hinges are chromed. The batteries nicely secured. Now the whole radiator support, the front panel, the lower pan, all that's been chrome plated. We got chrome horns. The radiator's been polished. The front of the motor has chrome pulleys and polished water pump and chrome power steering, chrome alternator. And the suspension, which we'll get a little more into later, but you can see it right here. The A-arms are chromed. It's a CPP steering box. Chrome master cylinder, booster. The electric wiper motor is polished. And everything else is just painted up real nicely. A lot more extra chrome up here. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
Ourselves a really classy ride here today. The restoration is just over the top. Beautiful, lots of chrome everywhere, including the undercarriage. I would encourage you to go on our website and check out the pictures. This thing's even got chrome leaf springs and chrome rear end. I was like, holy cow. Really nice redone interior too. They use the correct fabric on here, the correct upholstery, and it feels fantastic. Got a Chevy 350 under the hood. Seems to run really nicely. That's attached to the 4-speed manual transmission. Lots of fun to be had in this one. Fit and finish though really stands out. I'm just looking down the line of the hood right now and it's like, wow, this car really is great. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to 60 miles an hour without even a second thought. Nice, this one will do it for you. It's got the looks, it's got the performance. See how it goes down the street here. set up really nice too. Wow, this is a good car all the way around. Come down, test drive it for yourself. I definitely encourage that. Just give us about a day's notice. All the cars are located in a museum setting, so we need time to move them around. And we'd love to see you down here. And other than that, yeah, check out all the details at volocars.com.
All right, listen how this trunk closes. That's it. Just whoop. The doors, get them at a certain point, they close by themselves. Almost. So body was off the frame. Underneath is just as clean as all that. The front steering and suspension is chrome. The springs are chrome. The A-arms are chrome. The steering's chrome. All that was rebuilt. Same thing in the back. The leaf springs are chrome plated. The shocks are painted red. It has air shocks in the back. They're painted red. Disc brakes in front. The whole system was redone. The lines replaced. It has a custom polished fuel tank underneath the back. Nice sounding dual exhaust with polished stainless mufflers and polished tips. You look up the motor, of course, it has a chrome oil pan. Everything is just nice and clean and properly installed. The T10 4-speed is painted red like the car. The linkage looks real fresh. And guess what? The drive shaft is chrome plated, and it leads back to a chrome plated rear end in the car. And there's some other pieces I think were painted red under there. It's just a nice car, top to bottom, any way you look at it, any way you drive it. George, who's in charge of moving all the cars around, pulled this in for me, and he got out just saying, man, I really like this car. It just works really nice, looks real nice. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get your 57 Chevy delivered home. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.